Is earning $500 a week with AI side hustles actually achievable? The short answer is yes, but with caveats. As of 2026, advancements in AI, especially generative AI, have opened doors for numerous income generating opportunities. However, success depends on your skills, the time you invest, and how well you adapt to the evolving AI landscape. This video breaks down how to navigate this exciting space. In 2026, the AI market has exploded into a massive opportunity for side hustlers. Just imagine, the global AI industry hit $500 billion in 2025, and it's growing rapidly. This booming market created the perfect storm for everyday people to turn AI skills into real income. What made this possible? Accessible tools like ChatGPT 5 and Midjourney V6 democratized AI creation. No longer just for tech giants, these powerful tools let anyone generate text, images, and more with just a computer and internet connection. Freelance platforms caught on quickly. Fiverr and Upwork now overflow with AI gigs, from custom artwork to automated content. These marketplaces connect hustlers with clients worldwide, making it easy to sell AI-enhanced services. The timing couldn't be better. Post-pandemic shifts boosted the gig economy, and rising inflation pushed people to seek extra income. AI side hustles became a smart choice. Low startup costs, flexible hours, and the potential to earn hundreds per week. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Oversaturation in popular niches like stock images drove down prices, while ethical concerns around copyright and bias require careful navigation. But for those who adapt, the landscape offers incredible potential. Imagine Sarah, a busy teacher, who discovers AI tools to create custom lesson plans. She turns this into a side hustle, earning extra income by automating her work. AI side hustles like hers involve leveraging artificial intelligence to automate or enhance tasks for income. The core technologies powering these hustles include generative AI like GPT-5 for text and Stable Diffusion for images. No-code tools like Zapier for automation and Riplet for coding make it accessible. Prompt engineering, as shown here, is key to getting better AI outputs. Monetization models include subscriptions for ongoing access to your AI content, gig-based services on platforms like Fiverr, and selling digital products like templates or artwork. Sarah uses gig services to offer lesson plans for $50 each. Essential skills include basic computer literacy to use the tools, prompt engineering to get high-quality AI outputs, and SEO to make your content discoverable online. Sarah learned prompt engineering to create engaging lesson plans. Remember, ethical AI use and data privacy are very important. Sarah ensures her AI-generated content is original and respects privacy laws, avoiding any issues that could harm her business. One major trend shaping AI side hustles in 2026 is the rise of human-AI hybrid work. As people grow tired of purely AI-generated content, successful hustlers now blend artificial intelligence tools with human oversight to create authentic, personalized results. Take Sarah, for example. She's a freelance writer who uses AI to generate initial drafts of blog posts, but instead of posting them directly, she carefully reviews each piece, adding her unique insights and personal anecdotes that resonate with her audience. This human touch, knowing how to tweak and edit AI's output, is what sets successful hustlers apart. It's the secret ingredient that builds trust and keeps clients coming back for more. By mastering this hybrid approach, you create work that's not just efficient, but genuinely valuable and unique in a crowded market. Another trend shaping AI side hustles is niche specialization. Hyper-specific hustles, such as AI-powered pet photography or legal document drafting, are rising due to the demand for personalized services. Take Sarah, for example. She loved animals, but wasn't a professional photographer. Using AI tools, she started creating custom pet portraits by blending her artistic eye with AI-generated backgrounds. This personalized approach quickly built her a loyal customer base. Why does niche specialization work so well? It creates less competition in your specific area, allowing you to stand out. You build expertise and become known for something unique, which leads to higher prices and repeat business. As shown in this visual breakdown of successful niche marketing, finding where your skills meet AI gives you a better chance of success. You can charge premium rates and attract clients who value your specialized expertise. Let's dive into real world success stories to see how AI side hustles can generate substantial income. First, meet Alex Johnson, a graphic designer who discovered the power of AI generated art. Alex uses Midjourney, an AI image generation tool, to create custom pet portraits that look incredibly realistic. He started in 2025 by combining AI outputs with his design expertise, selling these personalized portraits on Etsy. By showcasing the AI human collaboration process on Instagram Reels, he built a following and now sells over 50 designs each month at $10 to $20 a piece. Now let's look at Maria Gonzalez, who turned her writing passion into a profitable AI-powered business. As a freelance writer, she specializes in eco-friendly topics that are in high demand. Using Jasper AI, a tool designed for content creation, she generates SEO-optimized blog posts for small businesses looking to improve their online presence. Maria handles 10 to 15 gigs each month, crafting content that helps clients rank higher in search engines while promoting sustainable practices. Her niche focus and consistent quality have led to repeat business and referrals. These stories demonstrate the real potential of AI side hustles. But keep in mind that individual results can vary based on your skills, marketing efforts, and the market demand in your chosen niche. Tech analyst Tim O'Reilly shares wisdom from his experience in the industry. He emphasizes that while AI democratizes entrepreneurship, success requires ongoing learning to stay ahead of the curve. AI ethicist Timnit Gebru cautions about the hidden dangers in AI systems. She highlights how biases can creep into tools, affecting fairness and reliability. This flowchart shows how bias propagates through AI systems. Historical data might contain prejudices, algorithms can amplify them, and even human oversight might miss issues. Always check for biases in your work. Remember these important cautions. Stay vigilant about biases, always add your personal touch for originality, and be ready to evolve with changing technology. Ready to turn AI into income? Let's walk through your first steps to reaching that $500 weekly goal. Like many successful hustlers, you'll start small and build momentum. Begin with free AI tools. Experiment with text generators like ChatGPT or image creators like Stable Diffusion. This low-risk approach lets you learn without spending a dime. Next, identify your niche. Find a specialty where you can add value. Take Alex Johnson, who started with pet portraits using Midjourney and now earns $800 per week. Research demand on platforms like Etsy. Build a portfolio of your best work. Create samples that showcase your skills and get clients excited. Quality trumps quantity here. Market yourself through social media. Share your creations on TikTok and Instagram to attract followers and potential clients. Use engaging posts to build your brand. Create high-quality content consistently. Maria Gonzalez, for instance, crafts SEO blog posts for eco-friendly businesses and earns $600 weekly. Add your unique touch to differentiate. Stay aware of legal aspects. Protect data privacy and respect intellectual property rights. Follow guidelines to keep your hustle ethical and sustainable. Finally, commit to consistency and adaptability. Work steadily and adjust to new trends. Track your progress toward that $500 weekly milestone. You've got this. Start experimenting today and watch your AI side hustle grow.